#1 digital marketing.
Hi, I'm Nathan Weiss, and this is
Anthony Preston.
Website, social media audits.
really resonate with your audiences because people love to see people.
And I said, we need to respond to get our name out there.
This brand new page that has a bunch of audio description that are specific to my business. So if I ran a
TikTok, is it okay to do the same?